Hello everyone, today we are really glad to be with Tony Tsai and also Frank Kavanagh from Maguire. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, I have some questions to you guys. The first one is, K-Show is the first big show after COVID started. What is your perception and have been there any changes in the industry after the 3 years?
Well, COVID brought a number of changes and a number of challenges to all of us. Travel was eliminated. We couldn't go see our customers, but at the same time, business, after a short drop-off, really picked up. Mainly the medical packaging, the food packaging, everything to do with personal protective devices, all plastic related, caused our business to soar, while at the same time we ran into challenges with transportation and sourcing materials. So it brought a number of changes to the industry and challenges that we've been able to meet, but different times.
You just mentioned about basically the logistic part were some difficult, some challenge. Also, during COVID, actually we cannot travel, right? Therefore, maybe some customer get some influence about it. How do you deal with it? Because you cannot travel, probably some customer maybe have some concern how they're going to the installation of machinery.
That's true. You have to have local support because there was no travel. We fortunately do have offices in Taiwan, we have offices in Singapore, we have offices in China, we have offices globally that are sales and service offices that are able to help the customers locally rather than come back to the manufacturer for all that.
That was really good for customer actually.
Yes.
Also, K-Show has 3 main topics: circular economy, digitalization, and climate protection. How does your company do implementation on your equipment for these 3 trends?
Well, the circular economy was addressed. We've always been addressing the circular economy with our blenders. Our weigh scale blender is designed to actually blend virgin, regrind, PCRs, additives, colors, so forth together. What we have had to do is modify the blenders because of the mandates that have been handed down on including a certain amount of material, whether it be recycled content or post-consumer content. These mandates are being implemented, and we have had to modify our blenders so that a blender can handle multiple majors. And so we've come out with a new blender line that allows us to do that, which I can show you.
Last one, what is your company main goal attending to K22?
The main goal in attending K22 is to re-engage with our customers that we haven't had the opportunity to see in person. And I think everyone misses the opportunity of meeting face-to-face rather than through a computer screen. Now the digitalization, going back to your earlier question, the digitalization, we have addressed that as well as the climate protection through our ultra low energy dryers. Okay, the ultra low energy dryer uses about 1/10 of the energy of comparable dryers, and so that reduces the carbon footprint, and it really addresses both the digitalization and the climate protection.
Well, thank you very much for your time, Mr. Kavanagh.
Sure.
And thank you very much, Tony.
Thank you.
Keep updated for more videos on our platform. See you guys.